Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Style with Nina. How are you guys doing? I missed you all. And I am going to be bringing you a series that I have created called the 12 Days of Luxury. This is kind of my spin, you guys, on the 12 days of Vlogmas. I tried it out, it didn't work out for me, so this is something that I feel like goes with my channel, goes with my brand, and so we're going to see how it goes. So again, we're doing the 12 days of luxury, and on day one I'm going to be bringing you guys the tech edition. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, make sure you're commenting, and subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and unbox with you guys is my awesome iPhone. I don't know if it's called the XS Max or the 10S Max, but yeah, the newest iPhone, the bigger size, we're going to just say that. So yeah, I have already been using this one, so it's not a true unboxing because I have been using it. And I will be doing a video on the pros and cons of this iPhone. It's going to be in a later video. But yeah, so this is the first thing I got. I want to go ahead, let me backtrack. So the reason why I started this 12 days of luxury is because, you guys, I've been so busy. I have so many unboxings that I did not get to. So I do want you guys to know that this video, well, these items that you'll see in my 12 days of luxury were accumulated within some months. So I don't want you to think I just went out there and just bought out. It has been an accumulation of traveling, shopping, and just not able to get around to the unboxing. So here goes. Okay, so back to this. So I again will be doing a separate video on the pros and cons of this phone. There are a lot more pros than cons, but there are a few, so we'll get to that next. So anyway, that's that. So that's the iPhone. Is it the, let me see what it says. Does it say? Everything's dropping. Okay. So it is the iPhone, I'm going to say 10S Max, I believe is what it's called. So yeah, let's move on to number 2. Second thing I get, or hubby got me. So hubby got me the iPhone. Hubby gets me a lot of stuff. And then hubby also got me this. So I already had a, can you guys see what this is? It's the Apple Watch Series 3. I know there's a Series 4. But I was on Series 2, and we went on and, well, he went on and decided to get me this one. And so what we're going to do is give my oldest daughter my old watch because she is into fitness now, so it was a win-win. So yeah. So this is the Apple Watch 42 millimeter in Space Gray Series 3. And I'm excited to actually get to wear this one. So yeah. Anywho, so I'm sure my daughter is excited. That's the reason why I went on and said I'm going to go ahead and start with the tech edition, because she wants my old Apple Watch. So I need to go ahead and open that up so I can give it to her. Okay, so the next thing, you guys, that I am so excited about, I have not used it yet, but I'm very excited. So I got this, and you guys, everything that I can find will be linked in the description box below. So anything that I can link, make sure you check out the description box and it will be there. So I decided to upgrade my vlogging experience when I vlog with my iPhone. So that's the reason why I upgraded my iPhone, is because I use my phone for vlogging when I'm out and about. I just personally find that when you go into stores and you use your phone, they don't really say much to you. But when you have an actual camera, you know, they follow you around the store, telling you to cut it off or whatever. So I just feel like you can vlog more without being bothered using a camera. I mean, using a phone versus your camera. So decided to get this Digi Osmo Mobile 2. So that, and everybody who vlogs or have recorded using their video on your phone, you know how it is when you're recording and it like picks up your walking motion and it just kind of looks weird. This is supposed to stop this. This is for like cinematography, but I just got it because I want to upgrade my vlogging experiences for you guys. So again, this is the Digi Osmo Mobile 2. And, you know, I don't know if you guys want prices. I can't remember. I know this was probably, this was less than $200. The Apple Watch, I don't know how much the Apple Watch was. Y'all, you know, listen, y'all can research. Y'all know the phone was ridiculous. Y'all know that the iPhone is ridiculously priced. Y'all know. And then the last thing I'm excited about, you guys, and I only have the boxes, I'm actually using it to record this video, is Bay went on and got me the Canon G7X Mark II. I was originally recording with the Canon T5i, which I think is an amazing thing to record with if you have that. But I did notice that my content was a little bit on the blurry side no matter what I did. And so someone told me, who also has a YouTube channel, hey, also told me that I needed to get this. So I got it and I love it. So just got this today and thought I would go ahead and throw this inside of this haul. And yeah, so we're recording with it. It looks amazing. Like I said, the T5i is great for my still frames for my blog, so make sure that you are checking my blog out at Style with Nina. It's great for that, but for actual videos, I feel like this one gives me just the clarity that I'm looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I don't know what order I'm going to put these videos up, but again, you will have an unboxing with me for 12 days up until Christmas. So love you guys. Make sure you watch all the videos because I will be doing a giveaway in one of the videos, and so I'm not going to tell you guys which one because you got to look at all the videos. So love you guys. Until the next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and I love you. Mwah.